I'll present the International AI Safety Report 2026. Just came out a few weeks ago. I've been an advisor on this latest version. And I think one of the main uses of it is to potentially be maybe the most credible and comprehensive source on AI risks. One reason that's the case, I think, is that it's created by an international mandate, following up on a resolution taken by 30 countries as well as UN, EU, at the Bletchley Park UK AI Safety Summit. It's meant to inform policy decisions, so can be useful for this target audience, but policymakers are the main target audience, and it does that by giving an up-to-date assessment of the scientific evidence around AI risks, especially frontier AI risks. And it's also developed by over 100 experts, led by Yoshua Bengio. In terms of how comprehensive it is, really it covers a lot of things. 3 main things: capabilities, risks, risk management. So capabilities both now and in the future. The latest edition has scenario modeling in it, done together with the OECD. Risks, the focus is now on frontier AI. Frontier risks has been narrowed. And then risk management, assessing essentially how effective are the risk management technical as well as procedural measures that exist so far. To give you a sense of the scope, we categorize risks into 3 categories: malicious use risks, malfunction risks, and systemic risks. They are, for each risk, there's a section. Each is written by usually a world-leading expert in the field, as well as feedback from many other people. And so it's a good way to get up to speed on if you're not an expert on one of these yet. Malicious use risks include harms through AI-generated content, bio and cyber risks. Malfunction risks include loss of control and lack of reliability, for example, prompt injections into agents. And then the systemic risks include labor market impacts and autonomy, risks to human autonomy, such as through psychological impacts of AI use. I can't have time to really show you much of the results, so here's just a not random sample of the kind of information that this report includes, that you can then, for example, show to policymakers. So this one is from the loss of control section and contains sort of assessments like oversight-undermining behaviors have now become a practical challenge to safety testing because of things like eval awareness and reward hacking. And then there are pretty pictures or figures. In this case, a chain of thought sample from O3, where it's thinking about, am I in an eval here? What does that mean about how I should act? Yeah, to conclude, this is a resource you can show to policymakers as a credible, measured, and consensus-driven source on pretty much any or a majority of AI risk topics out there. And you can read it yourself as well to sort of get a start in any of the areas covered. For the full report, check out the QR code. There's a nice summary for policymakers as well. Thank you. Oh, I'm well ahead of time.